If I show you here, I have connected the Apple Magic Mouse with my iPad, as you can see here, but the tracking is very slow. So how do you fix slow tracking speed of Apple Magic Mouse on iPad and increase the tracking speed? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to fix slow tracking speed of Apple Magic Mouse on iPad. In order to fix slow tracking speed of Apple Magic Mouse on iPad, what you have to do is you have to first of all go to settings and then go to Bluetooth options and ensure that the Magic Mouse that you are trying to fix the slow tracking speed is connected. And once that is connected, next you have to simply go to General and then you will be in the general settings of your iPad. Here you have to scroll a bit and you will see the option for trackpad and mouse. Tap on that and that will take you to the options where you can fix your tracking speed for Magic Mouse. Here you can see the tracking speed is this much. So in order to increase the tracking speed, we will slide it to the right. You can see the rabbit icon here. That means rabbit will run faster. And if we take it to the left, you can see the turtle icon here. That means turtle will barely run. It will walk slowly. So you can find a balance for the tracking speed that you want to keep, and depending upon your preference, you may set the tracking speed for Apple Magic Mouse on iPad. I'll keep it to the fastest like rabbit, and you can see now it is much faster now. So this way you may fix Apple Magic Mouse tracking speed on iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to connect and pair any Bluetooth keyboard on your iPad, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.